do you know that you only need this to unmount this whole TV right here? Yes, you only need the Phillips screwdriver. This is called a Phillips screwdriver, the X shape right here. And you only need this to unscrew this safety screws. And after that, you don't need any tools. No drills, no pliers, nothing, man. Okay, so after doing this, what you do next is, so after that, you just have to pull this TV up like this and lift it up out of the mount. So this is a 55-inch TV. Enough. Taking it out, so you are now left with the ZeboZap outdoor mount. Alright, the magic happens right now. I've told you many times about this magic pin. You see how it works. To remove the TV mount, you just pull this and you just lift the mount out. And that's it. That's it. Next, to remove this main pillar mount right here. So this is the one attached to the pillar. It's pretty much very simple. Magic word is 2 fingers. Alright, you see this pin right here? Okay, what you gotta do is you just have to press on the pin, open the mount, the ratchets like that. Same thing, 2 fingers, pull, and I'm gonna remove the bottom strap first and then the top strap. You are done. And do you guys know, this would be the best gift to get your friends and family for the upcoming holiday season too. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Get your ZeboZap outdoor TV mount from our Shopify account or also from Amazon.